Hey guys, and today we're gonna be going BB shooting. So here we have our gun.
Oh yeah, pistol. Here's BBs. Here's a pistol. Oh dang, that's heavy. And yeah, we got some stuff.
Target, and we got our target. So yeah, pause it and let's go.
Yeah. Well, so here's our target. Here's Ben's dad. Say hello.
Let's go.
And yeah, let's do this. We're recording. Okay, we're back, guys. Here's gonna be our first target. We're probably gonna be shooting from here.
I call shooting first. So yeah.
All right, I'll shoot after we get this area. So yeah.
Don't pause it yet. Here's the gun.
So here's the gun.
It's on safety mode right now. So yeah, here it is.
Oh yeah. You can barely see because of the glare. Okay, now I can see. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Let's put that.
BB. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot it first, and here's our BBs. Let's load up.
All right. So yeah, we'll see you guys in about 2 seconds. All right, Ben, ready to shoot?
Okay.
All right. Wait. Let me focus on the target.
Take it on safety. One hand. Okay. Look at the target. Oh, that hit the top.
Oh, let's see. Oh, you're still shooting.
3 shots.
Okay, this is very good.
And
Safety.
All right.
Safety mode. Here you go.
Okay, let's check it out.
Ricochet from here.
All right.
But you got 2 good shots.
So you got.
This one and that one.
So you're gonna mark it. Okay.
Yep.
So we have one. So one ricochet.
Yeah. Off the
No,
top.
it just gone somewhere to the top. Maybe it just scratched
So
it.
you see that one right there, and then you see one right there.
This is the best shot,
Yeah.
and that's the second best shot.
So okay, I guess I'll go right now.
Yep. Let's go.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna get recorded. No, we're not recording. Remember. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the next shot. See ya.
Okay, it's Thomas's turn. Okay, it's Thomas's turn. He's gonna shoot it.
Sorry, I lied.
Oh, I hit next to it. I saw that. One more shot. Oh,
Very nice. Very nice too. Safety on.
safety on. And let's go.
I got in the black.
Okay, so he got it here in the black,
You got this one.
and there's one there. And one is in the black
And he
area.
and he got this one. So he got those 2.
Yep.
So I did kind of good, right?
Yep,
Very
my
good.
turn.
So guys, yeah, see, I did better than Ben. Let's see how if Ben can hit this one. All right, let me. Yeah.
If we need to be correct, we all need to be standing on the same
Okay,
line.
just please.
All right, 3, 2, 1, shoot. Ooh, that seems like a hit.
You hit the box and okay, that was too low.
All right, you can't see the shots, but
That was too low.
all right. So let's check them out. So you shot right. Oh, wait, that's weird. I can't see any shots. So mine were right there. So mine was right there and there. So he would have shot. Oh, he shot really down there. Anywhere else?
No, 2 of them went ahead. You know what could be a
So-
possibility? That it gets low on the...
Yeah.
Okay. So
If you really want to use the capacity of the gun, once you change the cartridge, shoot as much as you can before it goes bad.
the gun's air tube ran out because we haven't used it in a long time,
Well,
and
the
we're
thing is,
refilling it.
The CO2 seeps out even if you don't use it.
Yeah,
Because the
So
way
this
it
was the one we
works,
just had. Now we're switching it with that one.
a new one.
So what do you do with these ones?
you throw them away.
Ooh, can I keep this one?
Sure.
I want one. Yeah.
This is what you have to do very fast. I didn't.
So how do you know no air's in this?
As I was shooting it, it didn't get near the box, and that's why Ben's last shot didn't get to the box too, because it was not powerful enough anymore.
So, but this is CO2, so it could still blow up.
No, it's empty. You see
Like
that?
completely?
Yeah. You see this hole?
Yeah.
All the CO2 is gone. As I remove it, you didn't hear sound. Meaning there's nothing in it anyways.
Yep.
It's empty.
All right. So can I shoot right now?
Yep. Let's
But
go.
once you have a bullet.
Go.
CO2 bottle. Yeah, Dimitri gave me this here.
Okay. Thomas's turn. Okay. Oh, I saw that. 3. Let's see.
So
Okay,
there,
so up
Here's
there,
one.
Up there.
Here's another one.
Another one.
And one of them ran away completely.
Yeah.
like, what do you mean? Wait, what happened?
Yeah, it's gone off the grid. It's not on a target. It's not even on a target. Yeah, it's somewhere outside.
Okay.
Bye, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, it wasn't too boring.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, so those are the last shots for, we're still doing this for like another half an hour. My propane bottle. Oh wait, let's watch this. Ooh. Right,
Okay, ended.
safety mode on. Let's check. Oh, right there, mate. Right there. Those 3 right there. Sweet. Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, leave a like, comment, blah, blah, blah.
Man is coming soon.
Hopefully. So, see ya. Adios, guys. Bye.